Are you wondering if Binance is better than Coinbase, or vice versa? With so many cryptocurrency exchanges out there, picking the right one can feel like navigating a minefield. You want a platform that's secure, affordable, easy to use, and offers the coins you're interested in. But which one truly delivers? Today, we're diving deep into two of the biggest names in the crypto world, Binance and Coinbase. Both have carved out massive user bases, but they cater to slightly different needs and preferences. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of their strengths and weaknesses, helping you decide which platform is the best fit for your crypto journey in 2025. Let's start with what sets them apart. Coinbase is often lauded as the go-to exchange for beginners. Its user interface is incredibly clean and intuitive, making the process of buying and selling crypto straightforward, even if you've never touched a digital asset before. They offer educational materials and a secure, standalone digital wallet, providing a welcoming environment for new investors. Binance, on the other hand, is a powerhouse for experienced traders. While it also offers user-friendly features, its vast array of tools and lower fees can be overwhelming for those just starting out. Think advanced charting, a wider range of order types, and a comprehensive ecosystem that goes beyond simple buying and selling. Now, let's talk about the cold, hard cash fees. This is where Binance generally takes the lead. Binance has some of the lowest fees in the industry, with spot trading fees often around 0.1% or lower. They also offer discounts if you pay fees using their native token, BNB. Coinbase fees can be a bit more complex. While Coinbase Advanced offers competitive rates for more active traders, their standard platform fees can be higher, and they're not always fully transparent about how they're calculated, with fees varying based on payment method, order size, and market conditions. For example, a wire transfer deposit on Coinbase carries a $10 fee, while ACH deposits are free. Binance generally doesn't charge deposit fees for most fiat and crypto deposits, though credit card transactions can incur a 2% fee. When it comes to the sheer number of cryptocurrencies available, Binance again typically has the edge. Binance's global platform boasts support for over 350 cryptocurrencies, while Coinbase supports over 260. If you're looking to explore a wide variety of altcoins, Binance offers more options. Both platforms regularly add new listings, so these numbers can change. Security is paramount in the crypto space, and both exchanges prioritize it. Coinbase is well known for its robust security measures, including cold storage for a significant portion of customer assets, biometric access, and insurance for online hot wallets. However, a recent incident in May 2025 involving a threat actor gaining access to customer personal information has raised questions about their security controls and disclosure timeliness. Binance also provides strong security features, like two-factor authentication and advanced encryption, and has a secure asset fund for users, SAFU, to cover potential losses from security breaches. While Binance has experienced hacks in the past, they've continuously worked to enhance their security protocols and transparency, with features like proof of reserves. Beyond the basics, both platforms offer additional features. Coinbase has its Coinbase Earn program, allowing users to earn crypto by learning about different digital assets. They also offer the Coinbase Card, a Visa debit card that lets you spend your crypto. Binance, known for its extensive ecosystem, offers features like staking for a wider range of cryptocurrencies, launchpad for new token offerings, margin and futures trading, though some advanced features may be limited on Binance, US, and even a debit card. Ultimately, the choice between Binance and Coinbase depends on your individual needs. If you're a beginner seeking a user-friendly experience with a strong focus on security and a slightly simpler fee structure, Coinbase might be your best bet. If you're an experienced trader looking for lower fees, a wider selection of cryptocurrencies, and advanced trading tools, Binance is likely the more suitable option. Both are reputable exchanges, but their strengths lie in serving different segments of the crypto community. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.